Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into a long-term review of my Gearwrench screwdriver set. This is a screwdriver set that I've had for almost 10 years, and while it's not the best screwdriver set in the world, I have, I don't know how many different brands of screwdrivers, probably around 10 or so, more than I need. These are probably the cheapest screwdrivers that I own, but this is also just another set that I've had for so long and in the same location in my box that when I go to grab a screwdriver, that's just naturally what I go for. And surprisingly enough, they get used a lot and they've held up really well. We'll get into the pros and cons. We'll get into the specs, features, pricing. They have changed a little bit since I purchased mine. Gearwrench has kind of done a revamp on the color and slight redesign on the handle. So we'll get into all of that, but I want to share my thoughts with you guys. This is a very nice complete set. It's not like a 4-piece set. It's also not a 40-piece set. It's just a good all-around 20-piece set that has really good coverage. So let's go ahead and get into the details. If you guys enjoy, I will have it linked down in the description for you guys if I can find this design set. If not, I will also have the new design, which is the exact same thing, just a slightly different handle design. So if you guys enjoy, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. Now, Gearwrench has updated them to a newer handle design just because Gearwrench kind of went to the orange and black color scheme. Back in the past, you could get them in red and black. You could get smaller sets in like green and black and blue and black and orange and black. You could get multiple different colors in the old handle design. Now they've updated it. It's just the one color option. The blades, nothing else has changed. All they did was update the handles to their new logo and kind of slightly change the design of it. But I'm going to show you guys those. But real quickly, let's go ahead and just quickly look at some of the other screwdrivers that I have, just so you guys get an idea. I have tons of other screwdrivers. These are far from the best screwdrivers out there, but they're my go-to just because they've been in the same spot for many years, and that's just where I gravitate towards when I need a screwdriver. Here I just have a cup full. I used to have a full Matco screwdriver set from when I went to college. I got some Vera, some PB Swiss, some ball grips from Vera, and Vessel. This is Klein's Japan multi-bit screwdriver. Some other Vessel super cushions, the wood compo Japan screwdriver, absolutely fantastic. Also got some Klein's here. They're blackout versions. Got the PB Swiss multi-bit screwdrivers, the Tecton Trilobe. Also got a few different Carlisles as well. The Tecton 4-sided hard handle multi-bits, the other super cushions, more Tecton 4-sided hard handles, Matco multi-bit. There's probably more in there somewhere, but looking in here, oh, that's not where you go. Where are you? What is going on here? You guys just think you can do whatever you want? You have one job, and that's just to stay where you're supposed to. Okay, so in here we have the Tecton 4-sided hard handle screwdrivers. Over here is just kind of the one. These are Phillips that are longer, or they're number 3 or 1, which I don't use a lot of, so I try to keep my more commonly used ones out of here because this is my secondary toolbox. We got the old Southwire USA made screwdriver. Not a great handle design, not very comfortable, but you know, it is what it is. Got this Philo that I misordered. It was supposed to be a 4-inch blade. I got a 4-foot blade instead. But nice little screwdriver if it was something that I would use. I'm sure people would get use out of that, but not me. The other slotted 4-sided hard handles, unfortunately, Tecton no longer sells 4-sided hard handle screwdrivers or their high torque Trilobes anymore. Another multi-bit one back there. Some Icon Torques and the Tecton Trilobe. And then I have a full nether set in my work box in my truck, but that's all I'm gonna find for now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 20-piece Gearwrench set. Delicious. So here we have the Tecton Master Screwdriver set. I actually think they might have larger sets now too, and they have various different sets, but these all come in like these little blow molded trays. Got their hook and pick set as well as their scraper set. I bought these all kind of at the same time, and that's just a look at it. Everything included, you got a couple stubbies, Phillips 2 slotted, precision screwdrivers. You got 6 with the spinning caps. You just got a 0 Phillips here, so a small screwdriver, and then these other ones, precision ones, do have the caps in there. They're actually like on a bearing, so they spin for quite a while. But even my Vera precision screwdrivers, they're just like a plastic joint or like friction fit, so like I would have expected these to have like a bearing, but they don't spin, you know, continuously. It's not as smooth as the Gearwrench ones. That was pretty surprising. But you get various Phillips and slotted, and then they actually include a T15 and T20. And then all on this side, it's going to be the Phillips, and then slotted over here. Here you can see this is the Phillips number 2. And I mean, the tip focus, maybe a little bit of wear, maybe a little bit of deforming, but nothing that's unusable. It fits fasteners very well. You got a hex bolster here on a few of them. All of your slotted have the hex bolster, and then the number 2 and 3 Phillips have the bolster. Everything else does not. They are a dual material handle, so you kind of got here it's plastic, and then the black is rubberized. But it is a tri-lobe, but it's more of a rounder tri-lobe, so I mean it'll kind of stop it from rolling, but closer to a round shape than a lot of the other tri-lobes that you see. But once again, this is the old design. I do think they made the new design slightly more of a tri-lobe, and these tips are black oxide. So I just like this set because it's got Phillips, it's got slotted, it's got a couple Torx options, it's got stubbies and precisions all included in one set. So that's kind of why it makes it my go-to, not just because of its location, but the variety that I have here. And its layout, it's just easy to work with. And while the handles aren't the best, they're still very comfortable. There are more comfortable ones out there, but I've been happy with them. So the things I like about this is the assortment, the organizer. They've been durable. Once again, no issues. The price, they're very affordable. The fact that it includes those Torx, because I do use those pretty dang often. And then some of them have the hex bolster, which I like. The dislikes, just the fact that the tri-lobe is more of a round design and they do tend to roll away. I don't like that the new design is only available in one color option. I know a lot of people really enjoyed the old option because you could get them in a black and green or a black and yellow. Like they had a lot of different variations. And then the other thing that I dislike is the smaller sets. You're getting the same screwdrivers, but like you can get like a 6-piece set and it'll be more expensive than the big set, which doesn't make any sense to me. But I do love the price on this. It was $55, and I still think they sell for around $55. So that's just a real quick look at the Gearwrench 20-piece old version screwdriver set. This is one of my go-to screwdrivers. As you guys can tell, I love stubby screwdrivers because the closer I can get to something, the more control I have over it. I only use a longer screwdriver when I need to use a longer screwdriver. Even the slotted have held up well. So just a real quick look at them. And like I said, I haven't moved this case, so maybe if you're constantly moving it around, it won't hold up, but this has stayed in the same spot since I put it here, and it has held up extremely well. So that's a look at the Gearwrench 20-piece master screwdriver set version 1. I will have this as well as the new version linked down in the description, and maybe if I can find some of their other size sets, I'll throw some of those in as well. But if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.